In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer funds from your OKX wallet to an exchange. So whether you're moving on your crypto for trading or crashing out, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and easy. So first, make sure you are logged into your OKX wallets. So if you're using a mobile wallet, you can open it. And then if you are using a extension, you can download this OKX wallet extension from Google. So as you can see in here, we already have a OKX wallet. Now click on that and then you'll need to import your wallet in here. So assumingly we import the wallet in here. So assumingly we have an access on the OKX wallet. So before initiating the transfer, you can verify the balance of the cryptocurrency you wish to transfer. So if you're using a website, you can just simply click this assets and then you can click this my assets and it will show you the overview of your OKX. So in here, from the overview, you can select the grow in order to see your balance. So assumingly we have a balance here in cryptocurrency OKX wallet. So ensure that it is sufficient to cover both the transfer amount and any associated network fees. So after that, log into the exchange where you want to transfer your funds. This could be a OKX exchange or another exchange platform. And then you can use the official website or app to avoid scams. So in the exchange, navigate to the deposit sections. So select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and then copy the deposit address provided by the exchange and then double check that the address matches the token's network. So for example, Ethereum for ERC and then Binance Smart Chains for BEP. And then after that, you can go back to your OKX wallet now and click on send or transfer and then paste the deposit address from the exchange into the recipient address fields. And then you can now enter the amount you want to transfer and make sure to leave some crypto in your wallet to cover the transaction fees and then carefully review all the details including the recipient address, amount, network fees, and then once you're sure to everything is correct, confirm the transaction, and then blockchain transactions can take a few minutes or longer depending on the network congestions, and you can track the transactions using the blockchain explorer link provided in your wallet or check the transaction status in the exchange deposit history. So once the transaction is completed, go to the wallet or fund sections of your exchange account and then the balance should now reflect the transferred amounts. And that's it. That's how you transfer funds from your OKX wallet to an exchange in 2024. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.